Okay, so this is the Monteaux 13-inch flush mount LED ceiling light. Right here I'm changing out the hanger because the one that was there was not the right one. It comes with one which works perfectly for it. It's got the little post sticking down in the middle to screw the knurled knob onto. I'm testing it out here for fit to make sure it fits right. You got to adjust the length of that post sticking down so that it sticks out about 1/4 of an inch before you just screw that knurled knob onto. So now I'm attaching the wires, and of course black to black, white to white, and ground wire, and putting the wire nuts on. Had a little bit of an issue there. The wire nut, I blew the end of the wire clear out past the end of the nut, so I had to cut off a little bit and start over. So getting all the wires hooked up, you stuff them up back in the hole, and then you line up the little post sticking down. You put the knurled nut on, which my wife just did, and try it. It worked. Put the lens filter on, and there you go.